Welcome back to the Code FS. Today we are going to talk about the SS key generation, and after SS key generation we are going to copy the project with the help of SS key. So before get any delay, let's get started how to generate SS key. Okay, we go to the our folder. Suppose we have to make a project folder here. We have to name it project 1. Okay, now we have to go inside the project 1 folder. Now open the git base here. Okay, and now write down the command. Okay, ss keygen. Generally it is a kind of utility that help us to generate the ss key. Okay, next thing we have to do, use -t and rsa. Okay, we have to tell the system that the type of the SS key generation would be RSA. Okay, now we have to define -b. Actually, -b used for to define the size of the SS key which are going to generate, and -c that would be in capital letter. You must remember that would be in capital letter. Otherwise, it would give you the error. And generally, it is -c is used for the comment section, so that you tell the system kind of identifier that we are going to generate this kind of SS key for this Gmail address, for this repository address. Okay, so you have to define here. For this, I have to define my Gmail address, that is codeaffairs729@gmail.com. Okay, enter. Now he is asking for the path you have to choose, but you don't need to choose anything, just enter it. And since I already made a SS key before, that's why it is saying that it is already exist. But if you are going to making it a first time, so it will not showing like that. Okay, so we have to overwrite it with the help of by typing y. Now he is asking for enter the passphrase. You don't need to enter the passphrase, otherwise it will asking for the passphrase when you are going to clone any project. So don't need to enter any passphrase, just enter it. Okay, just again enter it. Now your SS की आपका जनरेट हो चुका है. ठीक है, तो अब SSC को हम लोग कॉपी कैसे करेंगे? ठीक है, उसके लिए हम लोग का एक कमांड आता है. पहले स्क्रीन को क्लियर कर लेता हूँ सो दैट इट वुड बी विजिबल टू यू. Write down cat. Cat is generally used for to see the content of the file. Now we have to provide the whole path of the SSC. The tilde sign is used to define that the current folder home. Now we have to write down .ssh. Okay, slash id underscore rsa dot rsa dot rsh rsa dot pub. Okay, now just enter. This is our ss key and this is a public key. जनरली इसमें दो की होता है, एक प्राइवेट होता है, एक पब्लिक होता है. प्राइवेट की का यूज़ करके हम चीज़ों को डिक्रिप्ट करते हैं और पब्लिक की का यूज़ करके हम चीज़ों को इनक्रिप्ट करते हैं. ठीक है, तो हम लोग का ये एसएस की मिल गया है, इसको हम लोग कॉपी कर लेते हैं. अब हम देखेंगे गिटहब में एसएस की को कैसे हम लोग ऐड करते हैं. तो गिटहब का साइट खोल लो आप. ठीक है, गिटहब का साइट खोल लो, उसके बाद फिर आप सेटिंग में जाना. ठीक है, उसके बाद यहाँ पे एक ऑप्शन होगा टैब एसएस की एंड जीपीजी की जनरेशन. जस्ट इसमें क्लिक करो आप, देन इसमें न्यू एसएस की. Now we are going to add a new SS key. You can type anything. We have typed that the project name, project 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3, anything you write. Now you have to paste the copied SS key from here. Now just save. Okay, now we have added the SS key here. Okay, so this is the process through which we can add SS. This is the process through which we can generate a SS key or add the SS key in our GitHub. Now we are going to clone our project from the terminal, so that we can check that whether the SS key is working or not. Okay, so go to your repository. Okay, so this is our calculator project and we wanted to copy this project in our local system. So what we can do that we have opened that folder. From code you have opened the SSH tab. Okay, and from that you have to copy the that address. Now open the terminal again, write down git clone. Now paste the entire address. Okay, so it will clone the project from this server, right? This project. Okay, now your local system, just enter it. Now your project is copied. Now check whether it is copied or not in our local system. See, we in our project one folder there is a folder called calculator first, and this is our project. Okay, so होपफुली आपको ये चीज़ समझ में आई होगी कि एसएस की को जनरेट कैसे करते हैं, एसएस की को ऐड कैसे करते हैं, और एसएस की का हेल्प से हम चीज़ों को अपने लोकल सिस्टम में रिपोजिटरी को क्लोन कैसे करते हैं। ठीक है, और मैंने आपको कोड और डिटेल में समझाया था कि ईच लाइन क्या करता है। ओके, so I hope you would like that video, and please do subscribe and like my channel so that it will give me a motivation to make more video. And thanks for watching. We will back to the next video. Till then.